Try not to blink. Seriously, keep them open. 3, 2, 1. Okay, your eyes are likely burning right now as they strain against the air. Keeping them open forever is physically impossible. Your eyelids are programmed to act like a pair of tiny windshield wipers attached to your face. When your eyes stay open, they're constantly exposed to the environment. That exposure dries out the surface, eventually triggering an automatic biological override that forces the lid shut. This animated diagram shows the sheer scale of those wipers. You average 15 to 20 blinks every minute. By the time an hour has passed, those quick motions have compounded into a cluster of 1,200 blinks. Losing a staring contest is actually the result of this high-speed maintenance routine overriding your willpower to ensure your eyes stay functional. To see how this system works, we have to shrink down and land directly on the wet, bouncy surface of your own eye. You're standing on the cornea, the clear front window of the eye. Without the protection of your eyelids, this surface would dry out in the open air as quickly as a desert. This cross-section shows the eyelid acting as a mechanical wiper. Every few seconds, it sweeps down over the cornea. As the lid moves, it pulls a fresh, thin layer of fluid across the eye, restoring moisture. This moisture comes from basal tears, a specialized fluid produced around the clock to serve as a built-in protective lotion for the eye's surface. Every single blink serves as a miniature spa treatment for your face, keeping the eye's outer window perfectly hydrated, healthy, and crystal clear. Beyond dryness, your eyes face a constant influx of airborne dust, dirt, and microscopic germs that land directly on the cornea. The downward motion of the eyelid physically traps this debris. It functions like a miniature car wash, scrubbing the surface and washing away invasive particles before they can cause damage. Your eyelids also handle much larger immediate threats, like a fast-moving object flying toward your face. This is the reflex blink. Your eyelid closes automatically and instantaneously, creating a physical shield that blocks incoming objects before your conscious mind even realizes. Your eyelid is a dynamic biological shield, working constantly to protect the eye from drying out or being injured by the outside world. Blinking even affects your brain. Every time your lids close, they momentarily cut off the flood of visual information your brain has to process. This split second of darkness allows your brain's attention networks to reset, providing a microscopic, high-speed rest period. Modern habits, like staring at tablets or TVs, frequently disrupt this natural rhythm of rest and hydration. When you focus intensely on a screen, your blink rate drops significantly. This lack of movement prevents the eyelid from refreshing that layer of moisture, leading directly to the sensation of dry, tired eyes. Blinking is an essential rhythm for both physical eye health and mental stamina, though modern screens often interfere with that biological need. Quiz time! Question 1. What is the crucial fluid that blinking spreads over your eye? Tears. Question 2. What two things does blinking wash away from the eye surface? Dust and germs. Question 3. How many times per minute do we usually blink? 15 to 20. You just aced the challenge. Hit that subscribe button to join the lab crew and keep discovering how your body works. Fast recap. 1. Blinking keeps eyes wet with tears. 2. It washes away dust and germs. 3. It provides a reflex shield against fast-moving threats. If you're using a screen, try a blink break together. Close your eyes tightly for a few seconds to help those built-in wipers catch up. Now you know why we blink. But why do we have hair? What is the purpose of those fuzzy strands on your head? Tap right here to find out.